Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. In this video, we're just going to talk about how to create a validation rule. Okay, so I'm just going to stay in the account object for now and open up one of the accounts so that we can get a good example. So let's say, for example, if we have a look at these fields. So validation rule is basically something that'll check inside of the account. Since we're using the account object, but you can use other objects too. So it's basically something that'll check the field before it saves, and then if there is a problem, it's going to pop up a little validation error message. Okay, so let's use the annual revenue and say if it's more than, or let's say if it's less than $50. Okay, so I'm going to go to account. So inside of the account objects, you've got validation rules here at the bottom. I'm just going to open this up, click new. Then I'm going to say amount less than $50. Okay. So make sure it's active. So basically inside of this little box here, we need to set our rule. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just click insert and then select so we're looking for amount, account, sorry, what is the name of that field? Annual revenue, not amount. So let's annual revenue. Okay, insert. So we've got annual revenue is less than 50. Okay, I'm just going to check syntax. No errors found, so that's pretty good. So error message. This is going to pop up as the error message. Okay, so whatever you type here. So let's say annual revenue is less than the minimum amount. Okay, so you can decide whether you want it at the top of the page, like a pop-up over there somewhere, or on the actual field. So let's make this one on the field. Just need to select the field. So we want to put this on the annual revenue. Okay, and hit save. What is the problem here? Okay, remove that and hit save. So now I'm going to go back to Salesforce, refresh this, go back to details, and I'm going to try and update the annual revenue to, let's say, 47, hit save, and boom, you can see we've got our error message there, and this needs to be fixed, otherwise you cannot save it. Okay, so yeah, you can use this for pretty much any field you want, just depending on what the criteria is and what you need to do. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks.